Welcome to FlyMSG.ai, your all-in-one sales productivity and writing assistant. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of creating a FlyCut.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here.
Okay, to quickly add a FlyCut, you can do this in several ways. The first way is right here with Add a FlyCut by clicking the plus button. And that is found on your flyboard over here on the left-hand side, which is your AKA dashboard. If you want to open this up, you can certainly click on the hamburger icon here, and then you'll see your flyboard and simply add a FlyCut. Once inside of there, you can add in your shortcut. We recommend a dash or a slash before your acronym that you use for a shortcut. Title and description is anything you want it to be to help you remember when, where, and how to use it. And of course, add in your fly message. From here, you could also create a category if you wanted to create a new category, or select any one of your other categories that you already have inside of FlyMSG. That's the first way. The second way is if you are under FlyCuts, you can go to any one of your categories specifically inside of here. And once you're inside of a category, you can click Add a FlyCut. And once there, it looks like the exact same interface. Alternatively, when you click on FlyCuts and you're viewing all, you could also add a FlyCut from there and add it to any category as well. That's how you add a FlyCut. And remember, this shortcut is what you would use anywhere online so that you can type out a specific code and the entire message will build out. For example, if I'm going to use auto text and I type that anywhere online, dash auto text, now this URL builds out because that's what you see right inside here. So that is what's called a FlyCut, aka a shortcut. Enjoy!